The Goldilocks Zone is one of the most delightful scientific concepts. Essentially, it's the universe's version of being picky about soup temperature. This term describes the habitable zone around a star where conditions are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Too close to the star and the planet becomes a scorching hellscape, boiling off any water like a neglected kettle. Too far, and you've got yourself an icy rock that would make Pluto feel at home. But when the distance is just right, the possibility arises for something miraculous, life as we know it. Earth naturally is the poster child for the Goldilocks Zone. Positioned perfectly in our solar system, it manages to maintain an average surface temperature that allows for liquid oceans, a cozy atmosphere, and, things like pizza, trees, and TikTok. But it's not just about distance. The planet itself also needs to have the right ingredients: an atmosphere to trap heat but not too much, a magnetic field to fend off cosmic bullies, and a decent planetary rotation to prevent one side from becoming a permanent barbecue while the other freezes over. Stars themselves also come into play in determining the Goldilocks Zone. A big, hot star, like a blue giant, has a habitable zone that's far out but short-lived, kind of like the interstellar equivalent of a fleeting summer romance. Meanwhile, tiny red dwarf stars have cozy, long-lasting zones that could host planets for billions of years. However, planets around these stars often face challenges like intense stellar flares, which could strip away atmospheres faster than you can say solar wind. Scientists are on a relentless hunt for exoplanets in Goldilocks zones around other stars. With tools like the Kepler and James Webb Space Telescopes, they've identified thousands of candidates. While some are rocky and potentially Earth-like, others are strange and wonderful worlds that stretch the imagination. Think super-Earths with gravity that would flatten you into a pancake, or waterworlds with oceans miles deep. Whether these planets are actually habitable, however, remains a mystery. After all, finding the Goldilocks Zone is only the first step in identifying whether ED is brewing tea out there. Ultimately, the Goldilocks Zone reminds us how precariously balanced life is. It's a cosmic dance where planets, stars, and molecules align in a celestial sweet spot. It also raises a fascinating question: is Earth truly unique, or are there countless other just right planets waiting for us to discover them? If nothing else, it's comforting to know that even the universe enjoys a bit of moderation. It's not too hot, not too cold, but hopefully just full of surprises.